Sophie Alcorn, and I'm standing on the street in Mountain View, California, where it looks like another tech company has had another party and there's some balloons left over from that. I was just in a conference call from the Small Business Association talking about the Immigrant Entrepreneur Program and what comments should be made to the government about this regulation so that it can be modified before it goes into effect. Some of the interesting things that people were talking about were who qualifies as an investor. There are very strict rules about this person having invested $1 million over the last 5 years in 3 separate calendar years in successful startups that meet different criteria, including jobs growth. So I think this would make it very difficult for entrepreneurs to try to find qualifying investors whose money they could take in order to be eligible for this program. So that's definitely a problem. Another problem with the rule is the lack of clarity about what to do after this status ends. So do you try to get an EB-2 national interest waiver or an EB-1A green card for extraordinary ability? Well, if you do EB-2 NIW and you're from India or China, you have to deal with the backlog and the fact that it could take many, many years. So this is also a challenge. Another consideration is that only American investment money is allowed and not foreign money, and I know a lot of accelerators and incubators that are very international here in the Valley that are granting money to startups. So those are some of the things that I'm thinking about for what to comment on, and I would love to hear yours. Thank you.